hello, we're here. We're going to the hole in the wall kasi magfi-fishing kami. So, we have this secret, secret path going to the to the beach. And then, I think the kids already there. Naiwan kami ni Daddy. So, ayan, yay! This is nice. It's nice, Bob. How are you, Belle? My God, she loves it. She loves it, Daddy. Yeah, just here. She loves the beach. She loves that. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's a bit shallow, that one. Over there, it's a bit better. Over there. This is a bit. Yeah, just here. Because I can just, It's up to you. Remove your things there. Oh, that's what you get. How are you, Belle? How are you, Shane? Oh, she loves the beach. Come on, get the water for the prawns. Cause it's so beautiful. Come on, Papa. You gonna set up your rod? All ready? Yeah. Get your bait. Find something. Find a pipis. You have a seat there. A chair for the princessa. Okay. Yeah, just sit there. Oh my God.
Move the food.
Move the food, not the...
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
So beautiful, Daddy. Look at her. Daddy got a fish. He get a big bream. Wow, Papa! Oh, that's a good size, Bob. Yay! Daddy got a fish, Bill. That's good, Daddy. Yeah. Where? Just there, that bag? On the gutter? Oh. Eh. Yeah.
Hey!
Someone pinching your spot, Daddy. Someone pinching spot. Kuya Bobo is there. Look. He's going in Daddy's spot. Look, Kuya Bobo is there. Bubu is waiting for the pipis to come out. We use pipis for a bait. If you don't know, kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pipis, ganito siya. Ganito siya. Ginagamit namin siya for bait. At yan si Buboy, basa na siya. So, Siya yung namumulot ng mga shells para sa bait. I know sa Pilipinas, kahit dito kinakain naman yung pipis, pero ano, medyo maano lang, buhangin siya. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya lutuin. So, kaya, yan, ginagamit lang namin siya for bait. Where? Show it to me. Oh, yeah. Come on, get more.